Hi, I'm George Zimmer, and I'm back. Not just to New York, but with a brand new business, Generation Tux, an online tux rental business designed for your wedding. Surprise Times Square, you're all wedding guests. Tonight, I'm marrying the first couple of 2016. We have a choice between two wonderful couples, Michael and Alexander from Atlanta, Georgia.
This is absolutely a dream come true.
Meet Monica and Alfredo from Miami, Florida.
We're super thankful for this.
Help our two couples seize the moment tonight and create wonderful memories. Go to firstcoupleof2016.com and vote for who you'd like to see married first. Every vote gives you a chance to win a Palace Resorts getaway. Let's celebrate love, New Year's Eve, and a great 2016. Happy New Year, everybody.